Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing louvered pergola design ideas and the ultimate guide to choose perfect pergola design for home outdoor. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A louvered pergola is a type of pergola that has adjustable slats, or louvers, that can be opened and closed to control the amount of sunlight and shade that passes through. This makes them a versatile and adaptable addition to any outdoor space, as they can be used to create the perfect microclimate for any occasion. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of louvered pergolas, the different types of louvered pergola designs, and the cost of installing one. We will also provide a list of 10 of the best louvered pergola designs ideas, and we will answer some of the most common questions about louvered pergolas. What is a louvered pergola? As mentioned above, a louvered pergola is a type of pergola that has adjustable slats, or louvers. The louvers are typically made of wood, metal, or aluminum, and they can be opened and closed by hand or with a motor. The ability to adjust the louvers is what gives louvered pergolas their versatility. On hot days, you can open the louvers to let in the breeze and sunlight. On cool days or rainy days, you can close the louvers to keep out the elements. Benefits of louvered pergolas. There are many benefits to choosing a louvered pergola for your outdoor space. Here are just a few. 1. Versatility. Louvered pergolas can be used to create a variety of different looks and feels. You can open the louvers to create a light and airy space, or you can close them to create a more private and secluded space. 2. Weather protection. Louvered pergolas can provide protection from the sun, rain, and wind. This makes them a great option for outdoor dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing. 3. Durability. Louvered pergolas are made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. This means that they will last for many years to come. 4. Affordability. Louvered pergolas are a relatively affordable option for outdoor structures. This makes them a great choice for homeowners on a budget. 5. Types of louvered pergola designs. There are many different types of louvered pergola designs to choose from. Here are a few of the most popular. 1. Modern. Modern louvered pergolas are characterized by their clean lines and minimalist design. They often feature a metal or aluminum frame and a slatted roof. 2. Traditional. Traditional louvered pergolas are inspired by classic pergola designs. They often feature a wooden frame and a shingled roof. 3. Coastal. Coastal louvered pergolas are designed to evoke the feeling of being by the sea. They often feature a white or pastel color palette and a light and airy design. 4. Rustic. Rustic louvered pergolas are made from natural materials, such as wood or stone. They often have a rough-hewn look that is perfect for a country or farmhouse setting. 5. Minimalist. Minimalist louvered pergolas are characterized by their simple and uncluttered design. They often feature a single color and a few carefully chosen elements. Cost of louvered pergolas. The cost of a louvered pergola will vary depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the design. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars for a louvered pergola. Are louvered pergolas worth it? Whether or not a louvered pergola is worth it depends on your individual needs and budget. However, there are many benefits to owning a louvered pergola, including 1. Versatility. Louvered pergolas can be used to create a variety of different looks and feels. 2. Weather protection. Louvered pergolas can provide protection from the sun, rain, and wind. 3. Durability. Louvered pergolas are made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. 4. Affordability. Louvered pergolas are a relatively affordable option for outdoor structures. How much does a louvered pergola cost? The cost of a louvered pergola will vary depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the design. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars for a louvered pergola. Do louvered pergolas protect from rain? Yes, louvered pergolas can provide protection from rain. However, the amount of protection will depend on the size and spacing of the louvers. A louvered pergola with close-set louvers will provide more protection from rain than a louvered pergola with widely spaced louvers. How long do louvered pergolas last? With proper care and maintenance, louvered pergolas can last for many years. The lifespan of a louvered pergola will depend on the materials used, the climate, and the amount of exposure to the elements. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best louvered pergola designs ideas. 1. A modern louvered pergola with a metal frame and a slatted roof. This type of pergola is perfect for a contemporary home. 2. A traditional louvered pergola with a wooden frame and a shingled roof. This type of pergola is perfect for a classic home. 3. A coastal louvered pergola with a white or pastel color palette and a light and airy design. This type of pergola is perfect for a beach. 4. A rustic louvered pergola made from natural materials, such as wood or stone. This type of pergola is perfect for a country or farmhouse setting. 5. A minimalist louvered pergola characterized by its simple and uncluttered design. This type of pergola is perfect for a modern or contemporary home. 6. A pergola with retractable louvers. This type of pergola gives you the flexibility to open or close the louvers depending on the weather or your desired level of privacy. 7. A pergola with a built-in awning. This type of pergola provides additional protection from the sun and rain. 8. A pergola with built-in lighting. This type of pergola can be used to create a magical and inviting space at night. 9. A pergola with a built-in sound system. This type of pergola can be used to entertain guests or simply enjoy the outdoors. 10. A pergola with a built-in fireplace. This type of pergola can be used to extend the use of your outdoor space into the cooler months. A louvered pergola is a versatile and adaptable addition to any outdoor space. It can be used to create a variety of different looks and feels, and it can provide protection from the sun, rain, and wind. If you are looking for a way to enhance your outdoor living space, a louvered pergola is a great option. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing louvered pergola design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.